Hey guys, in this video we will look at the best 12-inch frying pan in the market. So, if you are looking to buy one, then this video is for you. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 1. OXO Good Grips Nonstick Pro Dishwasher Safe. With durable hard anodized aluminum construction, long-wearing non-stick coating, and comfortable design, the OXO Good Grips 12-inch frying pan is an easy contender for the title of the best non-stick frying pan. Yes, that's a big claim to make, but we're ready to back it up. The secret to good cookware is all in the sturdiness of its construction. Hard anodized aluminum is one of the most durable materials used in the making of cookware, and with proper care and maintenance, this one frying pan can be expected to last you for literal generations. But more importantly, this frying pan is completely resistant to scratching and offers even heating that is nearly unmatched. So no matter what you're cooking, you can expect this pan to make the process easier. This is also enhanced by the triple-layered non-stick coating that requires less oil and promises to last for years. We also love the design of this thing. It comes with rolled edges that allow you to pour and flip without spilling or dripping and makes transferring to plates for presentation much easier. Meanwhile, the riveted stainless steel handle has an ergonomic design that not only offers a sure grip but a comfortable one. What's more, this pan is also safe for use in the oven at temperatures of up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. And once you're done cooking, cleanup is a breeze, thanks to the pans being dishwasher safe as well. Is it expensive? Certainly. But good things usually come at a price, and when it comes to cookware, it's always best to invest than to skimp out and be forced to replace it again and again. At number 2. Cladage 1 Hard Anodized Non-Stick Fry Pan. Our next pick is a beautiful two-piece set from Cladage that has justly earned its high rating. Featuring one 10-inch pan and one 12-inch pan, this set is one of the most functional we have come across. Here's what we like about it. Equipped with a thoughtfully crafted low-profile shape, the fry pans both come with a flat, wide bottom, which makes putting them on and taking them off the stove super easy. The 12-inch pan, meanwhile, comes with an extra carry handle that makes transferring your culinary masterpieces to the plate a breeze. Like our last pick, the pans in this set both have a hard anodized aluminum construction, so you can expect these guys to last you a good number of years. Although the non-stick coating does require proper care to hold up well for a long time, that's nothing new in the world of non-stick cookware. But the best part about this set is that both of the pieces are perfectly compatible with the majority of cooktops, including gas, induction, electric, scratch-resistant and even halogen and ceramic. What's more, the pans are also oven and dishwasher safe to make your life that much easier. So whether you're cooking for a big group or cooking for yourself, this set has you covered. At number 3. Tfal Professional Non-Stick Fry Pan. Whether you're an expert in cookware or have only recently forayed into the market, the chances are very low that you haven't heard of Tfal. With over 6 decades of experience in producing some of the best cookware on the market, this brand is one you can trust almost blindly. This 12.5-inch silicone-constructed pan comes with a titanium non-stick surface that is built for long-time use and ideal for whipping up any number of your favorite pan-fried dishes. The layered thickness of the pan's induction base handles heat distribution like commercial-grade cookware, allowing you to achieve your culinary desires with ease. Meanwhile, the durable, strong, and comfortable silicone handle offers a secure and sure grip that will allow you to do your flipping effortlessly. And once you're done cooking, you can pop the pan into the dishwasher and be on your way. And yes, it's safe for use in the oven too. But what's truly impressive about this pan, to us, is the integrated Tfal thermospot technology. The red circle in the center of the pan, when adequately heated, starts glowing to indicate that you can begin cooking. We don't know about you, but we think that this Tfal 12-inch fairy pan is definitely one of the most impressive, especially at this reasonable price point. At number 4, CONUSWAYS 12-inch Nonstick Pan. From CONUSWAYS comes our unique next pick in 12-inch frying pans. Constructed from aluminum but cast with a stone coating and equipped with a sturdy wooden handle, this is a reasonably priced and extremely durable fry pan that will appeal to those of you with a liking for rural and cottagecore aesthetics. So let's start with the stone coating, which has a texture akin to volcanic rock. But it's not just the marble stone appearance that this coating serves. The non-stick coating is fully free of PFOA, PTFE, cadmium, and lead. Not only will you be eating healthier, but you'll also be cooking easier too. In fact, this is one of the best omelette pans we've come across. That's also thanks to the fry pan's magnetized base, which contributes towards a highly efficient and even heating distribution. Your food will not only heat up quickly, but the frying pan will stay pristine for many years to come. And although this thing isn't compatible for use with ovens, it can be used easily with all sorts of cookers, including ceramic, halogen, and electric. We love the handle of this pan, too, with its super soft and comfortable grip. Plus, its wood grain texture combines with the rustic feel of the stone coating to enhance the rural aesthetic of the pan. All in all, it's easy to see where this thing gets its high rating. Do note, however, that this pan isn't safe for use in the dishwasher and must be cleaned by hand. At number 5, Corrode 12-inch Non-Stick Frying Pan. For our final pick today, we have another beautiful stone cookware piece with a durable and high-performing granite-patterned polymer matrix coating. It might not be your first pick if you're more geared towards conventional cookware, but it has its own impressive benefits and features. This is particularly true in the case of the 4-layer non-stick interior of this frying pan. Made of cast aluminum, this pan is doubly more durable than most other pan construction materials, thanks to its stone-based upper layer. It offers a quick release for all your fried dishes and is easy to clean up afterward. You'll have to clean it by hand, though, as it is not compatible with dishwashers. We also love the Bakelite handle of this frying pan, which stays cool to the touch no matter what you're cooking. It also has an attractive wooden texture, which adds beautifully to the rustic aesthetic of the stoneware. But this thing doesn't just look good, it's easy to keep it looking good as well, thanks to its polymer matrix coating. Using an induction stove? No worries. This pan is compatible with most cooktops and thanks to its thick layered base, will distribute heat evenly regardless of the cooktop type. Furthermore, you can safely use it in the oven at temperatures of up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're on the market for the best skillet frying pan, you certainly won't be disappointed with this thing. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comments section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.